Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look at the various private medical colleges in Tamil Nadu and how they are ranking against each other. The basis of this ranking is mainly the popularity of the college in 2019 medical counseling of Tamil Nadu. So I have followed closely the counseling and how the seats were taken up by various candidates. So this is one of the main consideration in ranking. Of course, I have not considered the cutoff, final cutoff, because the number of seats varies from college to college. So just looking at the final cutoff might not be a justification to a good college. And I also had discussions with some students and parents who got admission last year in various private medical colleges. So their inputs are also taken into account in this ranking. And finally, my own personal opinion has been taken. So I won't say this is a standard ranking. So somebody else could have a completely different ranking. And when I had a discussion with parents about this ranking, we didn't have any kind of confusion in the top 5 6 rankings. Most of them were agreeing with what I had ranked. There were some disputes or there were some difference of opinion in the bottom half. So I leave it to you to do your own judgment and do a little bit more of investigation to finalize exactly what are the colleges. But the top 5 6, I'm quite sure that they are some of the wonderful colleges. So with that disclaimer, let's go into the ranking. Number 1, Christian Medical College, Vellore. Absolutely, there is no dispute about this college. This is the number 1 private college in Tamil Nadu, or even I would say this is the number 1 private college in India. Even if you take the ranking all over India, this is absolutely the number 1. And even if you look at the lowest fees for a private college, I believe CMC Vellore offers you the lowest possible fees from a private college, right? I think they are charging around 50,000 rupees, which is cheaper than government medical colleges in many states. At number 2, again, it's a very popular college, PSG Coimbatore. If you look at the counseling rounds in Tamil Nadu, sometimes candidates skip government colleges and go to PSG Coimbatore. So it's that much popular. So PSG Coimbatore, absolutely an excellent college to be at number 2. Number 3, probably some of you might be surprised because this is a new entry in 2019. In fact, I was also surprised when the college was taken up at that much pace during counseling. So KMCH Coimbatore is at number 3. This is a completely new college. It started its operations in 2019, but somehow it seems like the hospital has a very good name and a lot of candidates were opting to KMCH Coimbatore. So that's why I have placed it at number 3. At number 4, actually, I didn't place just one college. I have 3 colleges at number 4. Karpaga Vinayaka, which is at Maduranthagam. Yeah, this is placed at number 4. Trichy SRM is also placed at number 4. And Velamal Madurai is also placed at number 4. They are more or less equally being taken up during counseling. So I believe it's not justified to put them at different rankings. So I combine them at number 4. If you are closer to Chennai, probably Karpaga Vinayaka might be a good choice. If you are closer to Trichy or middle part of Tamil Nadu, probably Trichy SRM. And if you are towards Madurai or down south, probably Velamal Madurai might be a good option. The only thing you need to take note is Velamal Madurai seems to charge slightly higher than Karpaga Vinayaka and Trichy. So if you are more concerned about the fee structure, probably it's better to go with Karpaga Vinayaka or Trichy than Velamal, right? Velamal is slightly expensive, it seems. So these are the 3 colleges I want to put it at number 4. At number 5, again, I have placed 2 colleges. Adiparasakti at Melmarutur, and Tagore Medical College in Chennai. Right? These are the two colleges I wanted to place at number 5. And at number 6, we have Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan and Karpagam Coimbatore. In fact, if you look at the counseling, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, Karpagam, Tagore, Melmarutur, Adiparasakti, they are all fighting with each other. In fact, Dhanalakshmi and Karpagam were slightly higher in terms of the counseling results. But based on the discussion with parents, they believe that Melmarutur, Adiparasakti and Tagore are much better colleges than Dhanalakshmi and Karpagam. So this was slightly a disputed kind of decision to put number 5 and number 6. There was some discussion, but finally we decided that it should be at this number. So once again, the location where you are from might tilt the choices for you. If you are from Coimbatore, maybe the choices might be tilted towards Karpagam. At number 7, you have Annapurna Salem. At number 8, you have Sri Moogambigai Medical College, Kanyakumari. At number 9, we have Mada Medical College in Chennai. And I have also 2 colleges which I have not considered in ranking. Number 1, Sri Muthukumaran Medical College, I have not considered in ranking because Muthukumaran gave a very late entry in 2019 counseling because they have some issues with getting the approval from the university. So they went through High Court and then they have to get the permission. And almost the counseling started after every college counseling were over. And it almost the last few days was used to get admission for Muthukumaran. So I thought it was unfair to compare Muthukumaran with other medical colleges in terms of the counseling results. So I didn't include it in ranking. And of course, Panimalar is a new entry into the Tamil Nadu medical scene. So Panimalar is going to start admission only from 2020. So I have not also included it in the ranking of the private medical colleges. And probably we may have a couple of more colleges for 2020 admission, but still we have not got any confirmation. So I have not included them. For example, Bharat Medical College seems to be in the pipeline, but since I don't see it still in the MCI list, so I have not included them. I hope you find this ranking useful for your selection of colleges, particularly when you go for counseling. Probably this ranking might help you to decide which college you should pursue. If you like this ranking, please give a thumbs up. If you don't like this ranking, please give in the comments why do you differ, or what colleges would you think might have ranked higher or might have ranked lower. So please share your comments, please share your opinions, so that from which we all could learn, right? We all could learn from each other, because all these rankings are always subjective and everyone could have a different kind of opinion. So let me see your opinion. And also please continue to watch this channel. Right now you will see a related video displaying on your screen. Please click that and continue to watch and learn more about medical admissions all over India. Thank you very much. I hope to see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.